Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Hammer Type-C micro USB cable. This is a red nylon braided micro USB cable. You can see what this cable actually looks like from the box cover over here. On the other side it's written, which is what I mentioned earlier. It's a Type-C nylon braided USB cable. It comes with 3.1 ampere fast charging. This is also a 4-core data cable. So I will now open this box and show you the cable inside. So there you go. This is what the Type-C cable looks like. I'll show you give you a closer look. Just 1 second. There you go. So this is what the Type-C cable looks like. This is almost a meter long, and this is also a nylon braided cable, which means that this will not get entangled easily. This will not break easily as well. This is a super durable cable, and on one end we have a USB-A jack and a USB Type-C jack on the other end, and they both comes with. This entire cable comes with this red color as well. So this is the red variant. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Hammer Type-C micro USB cable. Thank you for watching.